density can build a floating cow farm on the water. This is also a solution applied in areas where many storms and floods often occur every year to limit damage caused by storms and floods. Because simply when water floods the area, the farms that crawl on the ground will certainly suffer heavy damage, but the floating farm will help the cattle cope with that. Now in heat, drought, and even rising nighttime temperatures have pushed the food system in new directions that have caused losses of up to billions of dollars. Despite that, races to overcome the onslaught of extreme weather are still going on, and people are always researching and finding ways to cope with natural disasters. Building flood-proof floating farms is one of the practical solutions for future agriculture. When talking about volcanoes, we will certainly immediately think of images of mountains erupting with hot lava burning everything it passes through, including soil and rock. What remains is blackened layers of soil, but the indigenous people have not given up on farming, and now around the volcano has become a unique grape farm with brilliant green fields. Come explore with us now how people grow and cultivate grapes here. Plant a grape farm right next to a volcano. Looking at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness, and it seems like nothing can grow here. But miraculously vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green.
Looking at the black landscape around the volcanic area makes people only think of barrenness. It seems like nothing can grow here, but miraculously, vast vineyards are grown right here. It is the people who, using their own methods, have turned this barren land into green.
The Lanzarote Island area, Spain, people have discovered that the volcanic rock on the island is like a porous mulch, capable of absorbing moisture from the air and retaining it in the soil very well. Ash also acts as a type of insulator, keeping soil. Metal workers producing car parts. You don't need to hit the gym for this workout. The workers follow a preset program to finish the job as planned. After 10 years of packing sauce, he's confident he won't drop any outside. A job relying on the nimbleness of hands. The technician had to cut the cylinders beforehand to create an easy-to-make hole in the wall. The master who created a perfect circle. The truth is, workers painted it, not machines. With a water pipe, you can quickly remove leaves. Let's see the window bar bending process. He found a cheaper way to level the land.
With the ability to clamp and stack cookies accurately and evenly, this machine saves time and effort in the production process. The row multiplier allows the machine to automatically adjust the number of cookies in each row according to specific production requirements, ensuring uniformity and accuracy in the packaging process. Does the feeling when you see the cakes move vigorously and rhythmically on the cookies are witnessing a peak production performance? Automation and synchronization in the production process not only help increase productivity but also ensure product quality and uniformity. These two-layer cream cookies are not only a sweet treat but also a true work of art. The combination of the crispy cookie layer and the smooth cream layer creates a fascinating enjoyment experience for your taste buds and taste buds. Every cut packaged cookie is a work of art, and Cookie Capper helps make that dream come true. With its flexibility and precision, this machine not only makes cookie production easy but also produces cookies of diverse shapes, sizes, and designs. With the combination of the sophistication of the cookie capper and the rich sweetness of the jam filling, this process is truly something special. Each cookie is precisely cut and packaged with meticulousness, creating products that are not only delicious to the eye but also delicious.